Hello everyone, I'll tell you how to make American Shine mocktail. Take a shaker glass, add some ice cube, then add 10 ml of lime juice. Then you have to add 10 ml of coconut syrups. After that, you have to pour 180 ml of lychee juice into the shaker glass. Then you have to shake all the ingredients properly. Then take a Pilsner glass and pour all the ingredients into the Pilsner glass. Then you have to add 10 ml of grenadine syrups from the top of the glass for making the layer mocktail. Stir with the help of stirrers. And then take another glass, add some blue cocoa, and you have to add some soda for layers. And you have to pour the mixer slowly from the top of the glass. Slowly just pour all the mixers. See, the layer mocktail is ready. See, 3-layer mocktail is ready. And you have to garnish with lime slices. Thank you very much for watching my video.